We all know what the cost is to run a maintenance team. But oftentimes we get asked the question, well, how can I showcase the benefit? How can I showcase the value? Because oftentimes in maintenance reliability, the benefit is in disaster prevention.
Typically, like we're using stuff like expected value or risk, which is probability times the consequence or the value of this project. That's how you're going to evaluate these scenarios. And like the example I always use is like, let's say, Ryan, you and I are gambling against each other and we're playing this game where we're flipping a coin, right? And we're going to flip a coin. And if it's tails, you win $5. And if it's heads, I win $10. Like I'm going to want to play this game because I win in expectation, right? Like basically I'm winning $2.50 per flip, right? You're just taking a concept like expected value and applying it as a cash flow into the future. Who's going to know that you avoided a failure next year if it never happened? That's the part that trips people up.
Exactly.
Make sure that you have a solid relationship with the finance focal point within your business group, right? Because they can help translate what that expected value is or what that cost of potential unreliability will do to translate into actual maybe EBIT numbers, right? Let's say you increase reliability by X% on an asset. However, if the asset per the business conditions is not sold out, are you actually generating any value to the bottom line, right? Versus an asset that's sold out. And so your facility may get compared different or ranked differently just because of those business conditions. But someone within that finance organization can help you talk through that so that you can still be a good salesman to be able to get your idea supported.
There's a few things you're going to want to get from your finance department. One of those is opportunity cost, which is what you're talking about. That is the production or the value of an hour downtime on this equipment. The other thing that you're going to need is the discount rate